Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm tucked away at the back of the cottage because it's blowing a gale out there today, and this is the least windy part of my garden. It's the first of the month, which means it's prize draw day, and I'm about to give away what's in that black box. I will tell you what's in that in a moment, but let me give you some background. If you follow my channel, you'll already know that a few months ago I set up a club off YouTube that people who live in the UK can sign up for. Many of you have already signed up, and if you've signed up, your name will be on a piece of paper in that wine bucket, and you will have an equal chance of winning that prize. Now, if you've been a member for a month or so, you'll recognise that prize because it was in last month's draw and it's been rolled over. One of the things we do, if somebody wins a prize and they don't want it, they can give it back and we'll send them a voucher. Last month, my mum won that prize and she decided she didn't want it, so she's given it back. She didn't feel comfortable keeping it. Having said that, she's a fully paid up member of the club, so she's more than entitled to have it, but she decided she didn't want it. So we've got 2 bites of the cherry and the prize is rolled over and I'm about to give it away. Let me tell you what it is and why I've got it. Now, every month I get offered things to review. And now when I'm offered something to review, I ask for 2 samples, one for me and one to give away as a prize in our monthly prize draw for club members. That is a solar-powered CCTV camera. It's worth about £200. It's a really good prize and I'm giving it away today. Now that, I've got one already and it's attached to the front of my cottage, and I can watch what's going on in my garden from anywhere around the world, providing I've got Wi-Fi. It's got motion sensor, it's got night vision, I can talk back through it, it's got a flashlight on it so it lights up the front garden, and it gets some brilliant footage, and it's a security camera, so it makes me feel safe. Somebody's about to win it. If you want to join the club and you're not already a member, I'll put a link in the description box below this video. It is £1 a month. We have an admin fee, £12 a year. You fill in a form, you pay your £12, you're in for 12 months. That's 12 months prize draws and lots of other stuff that's going on in the club. That's the prize for this month. And it's about to get given away. And so I will delve into this wine bucket, which has got all my members' names on in pieces of paper. It's a bit of a shake round. And I will pull one out. I've got hold of one. And out it comes. It's quite fiddly, this. I always think I should make these pieces of paper slightly bigger. Right, the winner is... Oh, I know this name because this person has won a prize before. But the rules are, every month you go back in the bucket and you've got an equal chance of winning. And this person has won a prize before. And they're now the lucky and proud owner of that CCTV camera. Gwyneth. There you are. You've come out. Congratulations. Jerry is going to get in touch with you for your address. Now, I have sent a prize out to you before, but we don't keep addresses on file. So I'm going to have to email you again, or Jerry will email you again. Get your address and I will send this out to you in the post. Congratulations. You're on a winning streak. I suggest you buy a lottery ticket next week. I think we've given away about 27 prizes now. And that's this month's prize. And we'll line up some more prizes for the 1st of April. Hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to check out my club on my website. And I'll see you soon for some more Mark's House and Garden UK Club adventures. Bye for now.